The Westin Dubai Mina Seyahi Beach Resort sits right on the shores of Dubai Marina, in one of the city's most sought-after beachfront areas. What makes this location special is that it's part of a larger resort complex, alongside Le Méridien Mina Seyahi and W Dubai Mina Seyahi. So you're not just booking a hotel, you're stepping into a full-scale destination with shared access to the Jungle Bay Water Park, several dining venues, and a 1,200-meter private beach. The water park is just a short walk from the main resort, and access is completely free for hotel guests, making this an especially attractive choice for families. Despite feeling tucked away and relaxing, you're still just minutes from key attractions. The walk at JBR is a 20-minute stroll, Dubai Marina Mall is a 3-minute drive, and Skydive Dubai is less than 5 minutes away by car. Plus, with the Mina Seyahi tram stop just around the corner, getting around the city is easy even without a rental car. Rooms at the Westin Mina Seyahi are designed to feel both elegant and comfortable, with warm tones, plush bedding, and plenty of space to unwind. Most rooms come with a balcony and offer either a skyline or sea view, and the deep soaking tubs with hydro-massage shower heads are a welcome touch after a long day. Whether you're booking a deluxe sea view room or upgrading to a Westin Club room for lounge access, the experience consistently leans toward luxury. For families or larger groups, there are connecting rooms and multi-bedroom suites available, including a 2-bedroom family suite with a spacious balcony and sweeping views of the Gulf. All rooms feature the brand's signature heavenly beds and blackout curtains for a better night's sleep. And with daily housekeeping, soundproofing, and 24-hour room service, the overall comfort level is exactly what you'd expect from a 5-star beachfront property. This resort offers more than most travelers will have time to use. There are 6 outdoor pools, including a kid-friendly pool, a lazy river, and several swim-up bars that give it a true holiday feel. The Jungle Bay Water Park is a highlight for families, with slides, splash areas, and lifeguards on duty. The Heavenly Spa by Westin includes 10 treatment rooms, offering everything from deep tissue and Swedish massages to body wraps and facials. There's also a sauna, steam room, and outdoor hot tub available to all guests. For those who like to stay active, the 24-hour fitness center is well-equipped and open late, and you'll also find outdoor sports like kayaking, motorboating, and paddleboarding available from the beach. Whether you're traveling as a family, a couple, or solo, there's something to keep you entertained at nearly every hour of the day. Beyond the pools and water park, there's a full arcade and game room, a beachside playground, billiards tables, and even complimentary beach club access. Adults can enjoy a relaxed afternoon on a pool lounger, while kids take part in the free supervised children's club, which includes activities and games. For those looking to explore more, nearby excursions include skydiving over the Palm, golf at Emirates Golf Club, or boat rentals from the Marina. The resort's calm beachfront location is also ideal for watching the sunset, taking a morning jog, or just relaxing in a private cabana with a drink in hand. Dining here is far from an afterthought. The hotel offers a wide range of on-site restaurants, with everything from buffet breakfast to fine dining. Mina's Kitchen is the go-to spot for breakfast, offering an international spread in a lively, modern setting. If you're staying in a club room, you'll also have access to the Westin Club Lounge, which includes complimentary breakfast, afternoon tea, and a happy hour with drinks and light bites. For poolside meals, there are multiple swim-up and beach bars serving cocktails and snacks throughout the day. And while not every dining venue is located directly inside the Westin building, the full Mina Seyahi complex is walkable, meaning you'll also have access to standout spots at the neighboring Le Méridien, including Fish Beach Taverna and Bounty Beats. Room service is also available 24/7 if you're in the mood to dine in. There are a few things to keep in mind before booking. The main one is that whilst all-inclusive is available, you need to select it on your room booking when going through the link in the top comment or description. Otherwise, breakfast is not always included in the base rate, and some guests have found the a la carte prices on the higher side, especially when dining on-site every day. Still, many feel that the overall experience and access to facilities like the water park and club lounge help offset those extras. While the resort is packed with amenities, it's not the most central location if you plan to visit Old Dubai or downtown frequently. It's ideal for beach holidays, but expect around a 25 to 30-minute drive to areas like the Burj Khalifa or Dubai Mall. Rates vary depending on the season, but rooms typically start from around $160 per night for a deluxe room. For what you get, beachfront access, multiple pools, a water park, and high-end room finishes, it's hard to argue with the value. If you're traveling with kids or planning to spend most of your time at the resort itself, the added benefits quickly justify the price. Club-level rooms and suites are more expensive, but the complimentary meals, drinks, and lounge access can make them a worthwhile upgrade for longer stays. The Westin Mina Seyahi is an excellent pick for families looking for a fun yet relaxing beachfront getaway with tons of built-in activities. It's also a great choice for couples who want resort-style luxury without the party-heavy atmosphere you might find at other beachfront hotels. If you're after convenience, comfort, and access to both relaxation and recreation in equal measure, this resort hits the sweet spot. Whether you're here for a long stay or just a quick escape, it offers a full holiday experience in one beautiful spot. Book now at the best price using the link below, or check out the playlist appearing on the screen to find alternative places to stay in Dubai.